brand new 2110 motors. We just finished this up for Mark Cecil, a customer of ours out of Florida. It's going into his wife's 73 VW bus, Brazilian bus, I believe. So this is our 130 horsepower combination. It's running dual 44 Webers, CNC ported heads, 4237 I believe, 1 5/8 stainless exhaust, and our MagnaSpark distributor. Like I said, it makes about 130 horse, 130 torque. It's a torquey motor. We build these for reliability and drivability. Those of you guys that are looking or might be interested in a motor, take a look at our website, Powerhaus VW Parts. This is a customer, so we don't discuss price on social media, but you can go to our website, get pricing, add some options, like this is the powder coated option. You can add the exhaust on. And if you're really interested and want to know more information, give us a call during the day, ask for John or Jerry, and one of us can help you out and give you some ideas. So this one's all finished up. I'm gonna drain the fluids, get the gas out of it, drain the oil, box it up, and then we'll go ahead and ship it off to Mark. And Mark, thank you for choosing us to build your new motor. I know your wife's gonna be real happy. You've been patient. We've been a little bit behind, but we're catching up, and we really do thank you. So appreciate it. Thank you.